Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Princess. Today we're going to be going out together and I'll be showing you how to use the Luas. The Luas is like a light rail transport system in Ireland, and the reason why I'm going to be telling you this is because I have a friend here that has been in Ireland for like 7 months and she still doesn't know how to use the Luas. She doesn't know that she has what it takes to use the Luas. So today I'm going to be showing you 5 steps on how to take the Luas. Step 1, recharge your lip card. Step 2, use your Google Maps. The reason why I suggest using Google Maps is because it provides you information on when your Luas is going to arrive, where the Luas stop is, and how far it's going to take you to get to your Luas stop. Step 3, tap your card before you go in. Now this is very important. The Luas system is quite different from the bus system where you tap in and the driver sees you and stuff inside the bus. This one you have to tap outside. There are like poles outside that reads your card. The machine where you tap your card is just outside. It's just at the stop, the Luas stop. There are like 2 to 3 pole-like looking machines that will tap your card. All you only have to do is just tap it and then it reads. It's going to make a weird noise or a small sound. Some do, some don't, but please make sure you tap your card before you go in. Step 4, to open the Luas door, there is a button that is circular that blinks. You have to press the door to open. This is very important because I know someone who was just standing there waiting for the Luas door to automatically open, just like those automated doors, but the Luas left the person and was on its way. The person is me. So please, press the button if you want to go into the Luas. Sometimes people are coming out, so they open it from the inside and everything, but instances where you're on your own and there's no one there, you have to press the button to go into the Luas. So now you're inside the Luas, you found a comfortable seat, you're sitting down. This is where the Google Map also comes in. So with the Google Map you can see where you're supposed to go, how many stops till you're getting down to your destination or till you're getting down to somewhere else that's going to take you to your destination, maybe a bus. So this is where we're going to step 5. You get down from the Luas, you tap out. The reason why I'm saying you should tap out because that is when you pay based on the distance you've traveled. If you don't tap out, you're going to be charged the standard rates. So it's quite important for you to tap out. Say for instance, you're only going from Stillorgan to Kilmacud. That's one stop and you paid €2. Say €2 is your standard rate for the type of card you're using. So for that stop, let's say you're going to get 1 cent off, but you did not tap out. You're going to pay the standard rate of €2. But if you had tapped out and then they only remove the 1 cent from your standard rates, you'll be giving back your remnant. Your change. your remaining balance. Guy, I'm too Nigerian for that. What do I say in place of change?